Today we are in Tivat, Montenegro, and we are flying Tecnam P2006 with analog panels. Santa Claus! Dobro jutro, ja je za privatan let.
Samo.
Ne vem. Hi everyone, my name is Konstantin Techenko, KFE Avia, your aviation advisor. Today we are in Tivat, Montenegro, and we are flying Tecnam P2006 with analog panel to Istanbul, to Ankara. For those who didn't know, the capital of Turkey is Ankara, not Istanbul. Well, at least I get this thing confused. I like Istanbul because it was called Constantinople at some point. This plane needs some warm-up time, so I will do this as fast as possible. It has only the master switch, and intercom is separate thing, and radio is separate, so all avionics must be switched on separately. And to start up, we will switch on ignitions on both engines, but first we will ask for startup.
Tivat, dobro jutro, India, Alpha, Papa, Echo Papa, request startup for warm-up, will call you for clearance.
Clearance after start.
Cleared for start, clearance after start, India, Echo Papa.
Okay, so left side is clear. We'll start left now, but I switch on all ignitions. Now fuel pump on the left. Checking fuel pressure. Fuel pressure is here. Adding a little bit of choke, actually maybe more choke than usual, it's quite chill. And rolling. Clear prop, nobody's on the left. Strobe lights and starting. Okay, same with the right one. Right fuel pump, right choke, prop full forward, and starting. Oil pressure is rising here, well, temperature's not yet. Switching on fields, cross bus, avionics. On to autopilot master. Autopilot goes on, and transponder first on, then the rest.
Taxi, line up via Bravo, runway 14, Indica Papa. Our left side is clear, right side is clear, taxi light on, parking brake goes off, controls free. Clear, right clear.
One 0,000 feet by QNH 1022.
Maintain 10,000, 1022, Indigo Papa. As always in Tecnam, getting dressed. Flying now point Ramap. Next Bayun. This is my intention to ask direct from present. This flying from Ramap to point Bayun. My intention is to ask direct. This routing is to avoid Kosovo area from Serbia. They don't give you clearance to fly over Kosovo. This is Kosovo basically. We'll see if it works. Kraljevo, India, Alpha, Papa, Echo Papa. If possible from present to Bayun.
Direct to Bayun, report Bayun, 10,000 feet.
Direct Bayun will call you over Bayun, 10,000 feet, India, Echo Papa, hvala puno. Okay, and some nice tailwind today. The ground speed 154 knots, when indicated is 122. Well, through airspeed we can calculate knowing the outside air temperature. And here we go, guys. That is Serbia, and this is Bulgaria. Ground speed is very nice, 161 knots, good tailwind. You might be curious, why don't I fly from Montenegro through Albania, Macedonia and Bulgaria? Because of this high terrain on my right, it just doesn't make too much sense to go there. Even if you are flying a twin, there is only option to land in Skopje, which has only one direction approach, or another airport is Ohrid, which is also in the middle of mountainous area. This is Ohrid, which is in the mountainous area, and Skopje, which has also, when you fly through Bulgaria, you have Sofia, you have Burgas, you have Plovdiv, you have Varna, and Plovdiv is kind of in the middle of the valley, Sofia as well, and Burgas and Varna is just on the sea, so you have a very good chances to land there safely without any issues.
Tracking to point Arnov, be advised that you will enter Lima Bravo Delta 239er, which is restricted area. You have to avoid this area. Please check if you're familiar with Lima Bravo Delta 239er and advise me are able to avoid it.
Okay, we'll check Lima Bravo Delta 239er. We'll come back to you. India Alpha Papa Echo Papa. Okay, let's find it. Let's try here. Lima Bravo Delta 239. Okay, it's found. Okay. India Alpha Papa Echo Papa. I confirm this point. This is the circle restricted area just shortly west of Arnov. I will avoid it over the north.
That's perfect. I do confirm this area is a little bit west of Arnov, and if you're able to avoid from the north, will be perfect.
Awesome, thank you. But I actually expected that point. Look, when I was filing a flight plan, because of this area, I did file the coordinates just to avoid it. Well, barely avoid it. But for better coordination, now I would go to Arnov and then just deviate to the north. Let's put it here.
Sam 7500 po QNH i вече се слизам, спускам се към летище Драганов. Разбрано, северно от вас ще прилетя 10 000 фута едно самолетче. Разбрано, ние сме в снижение. Тя са Виктор Танго.
The good thing to own your private plane is that you can work While you're en route, prepare for some meetings, some documents, and let's change to Burgas. Cross-checking. So fuel pump's not yet. Carb heat is on. Parking brake is in. Parking brake is easy to confuse with window defroster. Here is the parking brake and here is the window defroster. If you manage to do a mistake and pull parking brake instead of window defroster, you might land with blocked landing gear and bust the tire. Weather is nice. As always when I fly. I need avgas, is it possible? Santa Claus! 337. 337. Perfect.
Met information. Inform Burgas approach that you have received information, Juliet.
Burgas, India, Alpha Papa, Echo Papa with Juliet calling for start and clearance.
Alpha Papa, Echo Papa, Burgas Tower. Start approved.
Now we'll start left. Choke off because we are warm. Fuel flow. Good start, huh? Now we will see what happens on the right. Perfect. Right voltage checked. Avionics master. 6000 is a very good altitude.
Tower India, Alpha Papa Echo Papa, request taxi will be ready from Delta. Right side is clear, taxi light is on, parking brake off.
Runway 22 White Taxiway Delta, report ready for departure.
Line up at runway 22 and Delta will call ready India Echo Papa.
Russia 6963, contact 133-225.
133.225, Russia 6963, bye.
Radar India Alpha Papa Echo Papa, do you read?
Flight level 230.
Osprey, I'm climbing 230.
Impossible.
1404.
It's impossible. Radar, India Alpha Papa Echo Papa, do you read? India Alpha Papa Echo Papa, calling Radar, do you read?
Unreadable station, I read you 1 by 5.
India Alpha Papa Echo Papa, do you read?
India Alpha Papa Echo Papa, contact Ankara 13215. Goodbye.
3215, India Alpha Papa Echo Papa, bye. You see, I started 13215.
7 Lima Victor.
I started hearing her now and then, so I decided to ask for the new frequency, but by that time she couldn't hear me anymore. So we are approaching this point, and then we will make the turn towards runway 21 left, and then when landed at runway 21 left we will see what's gonna be the parking for us. We will see what will be the parking. I'll ask this slightly before arrival. One more thing to keep in mind, that this is high elevation airfield, which has 3,127 feet above mean sea level. We are cleared right hand downwind. The pilot goes off. Runway 21, right hand downwind will be to the left.
India Alpha Papa Echo Papa Tower. Maintain 3 miles west of aerodrome.
Affirmative, holding west of aerodrome, India Echo Papa, not closer than 3 miles.
Keys into the documents, so I don't forget to give them to the new owner, and go.